Are you copy trading Coscan top 10 wallets and you are losing money? Yo, what's going on, boys and girls? My name is Cransby, and yes, you heard it right. In this video, I'll show you how to actually make money from Coscan. And yes, if you are still copy trading the top 10 wallets on Coscan, then you got the idea absolutely wrong. And you probably are getting drained like I don't know what. So the first thing you do is you have to go to Axiom trading platform. Yes, it is still the best trading platform out there, and let me quickly show you why it is. So the simplest thing you do is you have to go to reward system. Yes, and this is the reason why I like it so much. So for example, if you right now are trading on Maestro, Bullix or any kind of other platform, then you are paying 1% or even higher percentage per trade, which goes to their platform pockets. But if you are trading right now on Axiom, you get half of the percentage back to your pocket. So tell me, you don't like money, or what is the reason why you are still not trading on Axiom trading platform? Because as you can see here, I have received back 9.30 Solanas just because I'm trading on Axiom trading platforms. And of course, there's multiple other reasons why I like this platform so much. So for example, if you press on trackers, then right there you can see all the first tweets coming out from all sorts of Twitter accounts. But if you press on customize feed, then right there you can see all the accounts which I have personally added and which I'm personally tracking, which you can do it as well. So the next thing you do is you have to press on pause, then down below you can see here Twitter tracker, you press on it and you can already see the first tweets coming out from fresh accounts. The next step of course is the filter section. If you don't know what I'm talking about right now, then go to my previous videos and watch the detailed information where I particularly speak about the filters. But let me quickly walk you through it. So it's a must to have this checkmark on contract ends with pump. It's just because you can avoid insane amount of scams being deployed straight on raydium. So as you can see right there, I have 15 minutes on age. On a dev holding, I also have 7%. And if you press on metrics, then right there I have market cap minimum as 7,000. But of course, this is depends on the market situation and the action on chain. The next one is final stretch. On an age I have 16 minutes, on a holders I have 50. So when you press on metrics, I have minimum volume of 10k volume and minimum market cap of 15k market cap. And the reason is simple. If you miss something on the new pairs, I can see this on the final stretch section. And why 10k volume? It's just because I want to see tokens which has the volume and motion. Something happening, people buying and selling, it has the motion. And when you press on migrated, which is the last section right there, I don't have absolutely anything there. Because I want to see every single token which has migrated to the raydium from pumpfun. Alright boys and girls, it's time when I actually tell you how to make money from Coscan. Don't get me wrong, these traders, they are really good traders. But if you are still copy trading these top 10 wallets, then you are literally getting drained every single time when they take a trade. And let me quickly show you why do they make so much money on daily basis. I'm 100% sure you have heard and you have listened multiple type of videos about Coscan, but what is the actual reason why every single trader wanna be there? So you can see right there, every single guy is making insane amount of Solanas trading per day, per week, per month. But what is the reason? And the truth about the Coscan is that everything about this website is fucked. And the reason is absolutely simple. This website was literally made for people like you who don't now understand absolutely anything about meme coins and trading and stuff like that. So they have a website where to actually go and see the most profitable wallets on Solana, who are trading on daily basis and earning insane amount of Solanas per day. But no, it's not good. Because people like you are literally getting drained every single time when people like them are taking trades. So what actually happens? When they buy a token, for example on 10k market cap, the copy traders buy after them, which means their bags are literally getting pumped straight away to like 20k or even more, just depending on what kind of guy it is. Don't get me wrong, these guys are good traders, but right now they are literally draining the copy traders so they can make actually money. So for example, if you press on monthly, then you can see the West has made 625k per month trading on daily basis on Solana. But what is the actual reality? The reality is simple. When West is taking a trade, and he is actually taking trades per minute, then he is actually instantly dumping on his copy traders, which is people like you. And in the end, no, you are not the winner, but in the end, West in this scenario is the winner. So the answer is absolutely simple. Don't copy trade, top 10 wallets or even top 20 wallets, because you will literally get drained every single time when they take a trade. But alright guys, I will stop being the Colscan bully and the bad guy, but it's time when I show you my strategy and how I'm making money from Colscan. By the way guys, shout out to Insider. He's doing live streams on daily basis and it's a nice way how you can gather the information. You have to understand the whole concept of being a profitable degen. So it's a nice way how you can observe and learn things. By the way, it's always nice to add these wallets on wallet tracker because you can see what they are actually buying, I'm not saying you have to copy trade them, but just as an information wise, you just can see what they are buying and where they are looking at. The main concept of this is that you don't want to get instantly dumped on. You want to find guys who are actually, holding something just for a small amount of time to create the movement, to create the motion. So whenever you find these sort of wallets, you simply go to Axiom. When you press on wallet tracker, you can literally add as many as you like wallets, for you to track it, for you to see what they are buying in the real time, what they are selling in the real time. Because you always want to see what profitable wallets are buying. I'm not saying you have to FOMO in. I'm just saying you have to keep an eye on. Because sometimes they can honestly be really early on some things. But I want you to stay careful and definitely don't put all the eggs in one bucket. You also have to understand meme coins are based on the hype. It means right now the hype are the tweets. Fresh tweets coming out, from all sorts of Twitter accounts. So your goal here is to look out for, really bullish tweets, something which is funny, something which hasn't been done. You have to focus on unique stuff. When something is unique, you will literally see tokens coming out. It's simple as that. And your goal then is to find the first one. The first launch, the first one who has got the motion. Because usually only the first one and the second one will move. If it's not moving, then it's not bullish enough, then it's not good enough for it to move. And if your strategy is, to look out for tokens only on migrated section, then your main goal is to always look out for the volume. Because without the volume, there isn't anything. And of course, if the top 10 distribution is healthy. You don't want to see crazy numbers on the distribution being on top 10. You want to see healthy percentages, healthy distribution, 2 or 3% of wallets, being on top 10 holder list. So let's just take an example, this token, 900 holders, great volume, it's pumping, market cap is great. Let's go down below. Yeah, and you want to see stuff like this, I would personally prefer wallets with, a bit smaller percentage, but this is great, this token just migrated to raydium. I'm not a big fan of this percentage because that's quite high, and you can see there's only, 7% on raydium total supply left on distribution, so 6% is really much, which is owned by, the developer of this token. And you can already see it's getting it's really fucking bullish, it looks like. As I said before, you have to look out for volume because without volume there isn't anything. Even this token just did 2x while I'm making this video. Alright, that's it about this YouTube video, but I really do hope you found these things interesting and you really enjoyed it. Because honestly, I haven't seen much people talking about it, so that's the reason why I wanted to make the content about it. And as you know, I just started out my YouTube channel, so it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it would just motivate me to push myself even harder. Anyways, till the next time. Peace!